It's raining right now. I'm in the room alone. I've been working on the project. It's a web application, basically just forms. I have been working on it for about half a year so far, or even more. Uh, Today, I actually made a huge progress working on it. In fact, it was, I guess, the most productive day on working uh, on that project. Uh, so it's it's 6 p.m. right now, and I've got to do a lot of stuff related to university as well. Um, I have no mental mental power to fulfill that desire, I guess, but that's because uh, I haven't done anything physically that much, and I guess I'll feel better if I go outside for a bit or just work out a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. I don't feel like going outside because it's wet because of the rain, but I'll think about it. So that's it. Bye. I'm outside and that looks good, I guess. It really is. I think I'll go right there and chill there. It's gonna be a little bit fun because I can just fall off right to the sea. This looks, in fact, this looks amazing. I love this view. Anyway, I got to go there slowly but surely. Doesn't look very safe, but that's not a big deal though. Oh, it's a lot of trash there. But anyway, I love it. So that's it. I'm gonna walk around a little bit and go back to work. That's it. Bye.